Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. How are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for 7 students. Our today's topic, voice imperative discussions. So let's start our today's class. Today's class 7, subject English second paper, topic voice imperative, term Havioli, lecture 6, SW number 5, teacher Ariful Islam. This is a mobile number, today's date. So my dear students, let's start the class. But before going to the class, let us discuss how we can understand an imperative sentence, how we recognize an imperative sentence. Okay, so imperative sentence starts with a main verb such as do the work. Imperative sentence also starts with don't do the work. Okay, main verb and don't. Imperative sentence also starts with never tell a lie. Okay, imperative sentence also starts with let him come in. Imperative sentence also starts with please give me a pen. So imperative sentence starts with do, don't, never, let, please, and you know imperative sentence expresses order, request, command, etc. Okay, so let's come here. If an imperative sentence starts with main verb, help the poor, how we will make it passive? So let's go to the rule first. Rules of changing from active to passive voice. Sentence begins with the main verb. First we have to put let, then the object becomes the subject, then be, then past participle of the given verb. So the sentence starts with the main verb. What do we have to do? First we have to put let here. Then the object becomes subject. So let the poor here object, this will become subject. Then according to the rule we have to put be. Let the poor be, and in the passive voice verb always will be past participle form. Okay. So if I write here don't help the poor, if I write here don't, negative, how we will make it change? Don't help the poor. So everything will remains the same. In place of don't we have to use let not. Everything will remains the same. Let not the poor be helped. So let's go to the rule first. Come here please. Active do it. So first we have to put let, and then the object becomes the subject. It here object, it will become subject. Let it. Then we have to put be, and then past participle of the main verb. Do, did, done. Understand? Number 2, next one. Take care of your health. It starts with main verb. We have to put let first, and your health object will be subject. Let your health be taken, past participle of main verb, taken care of. Care of is a group verbs. Don't waste your time. So if a sentence starts with don't, we have to put let not, then object becomes subject, your time, then according to the rule we have to put be and past participle of the main verb. So waste here is a verb. So let not your time be wasted. Okay. Don't hate the poor. Again same rule. We have to put let not, the poor object, it will become subject. Let not the poor, we have to put be and past participle of the main verb. Never tell a lie. If a sentence starts with never, how we solve it? Let a lie Let first and then object becomes subject. Never, we have to put then never. Let an I lie never be past participle of the main verb. Okay, next rule. Sentence begins with let plus personal object me, us, you, him, her, them. If a sentence starts with let, how we solve it? First, let will becomes let, object becomes subject, we have to put be, past participle of the main verb. These two are added new. By, you have to put by, and subject becomes the object. So let's see first here. Let him sing a song. This is a sentence. It starts with let. So first tell me, him is a object or here subject? Him is the subject here. How? Look, this is an assertive sentence. He sings a song. If you want to make it imperative, how we make it imperative? First, if a sentence starts with third person, we have to put let imperative sentence. And after let, subject will become object. So him. He will be him. Let him sing a song. So in this sentence, him is not the object. Him is the subject of assertive sentence. I hope you have understood. So let's go again. Let's solve it. Let him do the work. If a sentence starts with let, you do not need to add another let. Then it will be let. One let is given, no problem. One let. Then object becomes subject. Let a song and then be and past participle of the main verb sing, sang, sung. Then we have to put by. If a sentence starts with let, we have to put by. Then subject become object. This is the subject, but it's the objective form. Him will be him. I hope you have understood. Let's solve the problem. Let him do it. So let is given. We do not need another let. Let object of the main verb. Object of the main verb. Do the main verb. Then this is the object. So let it be. Sorry, this is be. Let it be. Past participle of the main verb done by him will be him. Let the boy do the work. So let is given, we have to put let, the work object, main verb, after the object, after the main verb, this is the object. So let the work be, past participle of the main verb done by the boy. Okay? So if a sentence starts with please, very interesting rule. If a sentence starts with please, we have to put you are requested to in place of please. You are requested to, and then everything will remain the same. To come here. Okay? Please don't smoke. Okay, if a sentence starts with please don't, so in place of please we have to put you are requested to. You are requested. So if a sentence starts with don't, we have to put not to. Okay, you are requested not to smoke. So if a sentence starts with don't, we have to put you are requested not to. And if a sentence starts with please, we have to put you are requested to. Okay, let's go to the next rule. So passive. If our imperative sentence starts with two objects, in this sentence we have two objects. Me is append is an object, and me is an object. Append direct object, me indirect object. So in assertive sentence, what did you do? If a sentence starts with two objects, so always we took the first object. But in case of imperative sentence, you have to always take the second one. So let, it starts with main verb, we have to put let. Then we have to take the second object. Let append, then be will be used. Be, past participle of the main verb bought. Let append be bought, and before the indirect object we have to put for to, you know. So bought for me. Let's solve the problem here. Buy me a pen. In this sentence, imperative sentence with two objects. Buy me a pen. So it starts with main verb, we have to put let first, and then a pen is the object. Let a pen then be, past participle of the main verb. Let a pen be bought for me. Before the interrogative object, we have to put for or to. Pluck me a flower. The sentence starts with main verb, so we have to put let first. Let object a flower. Let a flower be plucked. Then before the interrogative object, we have to put for or to. Here we have to put for. Give me the pen. We have to put let first. Starts with give, main verb. The pen is the object. It will become subject. Let the pen be. And give, gave, given. After given, we have to put to. And then me will be. Let the pen be given to me. This is the rule. Okay. So my dear students, your SW will be this one, SW homework 5, submit on Saturday. Since the following active voice is into passive. Number 1, shut the door. Number 2, don't make a noise. Number 3, tell him to go. Number 4, bring me a book. Number 5, let him read the book. Number 6, let me help the poor. Okay, do your assigned SW at home. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid big parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.